a dog named Luigi. Wow.
Okay, say that again. Hold on, Luigi.
I'm almost getting a 6-pack. Almost.
Sorry, I was choked up by spit.
You laughing at me?
No.
Here in California, you know, you have to get in shape because you got to get your California body.
So
you got to work out. So I've been working out here in California all day, every day. Yeah.
Yes, he really actually. I'm so proud. I mean, I work out every day, but Fabian has been now as of, well, since we got to California.
17,000 steps a day.
Bitch, don't rub it in. Ugh, I hate him.
Anyway,
He's really rubbing himself on me.
We are in Graeagle.
Graegle.
Graeagle. Blairsden
Graeagle.
Little town, and we are work camping. And it's not really.
Sometimes I forget.
Just chilling at a campground and staying there for free. And
it's work.
Awesome.
We both put in our heart into it. We both like work hard, and we both actually really enjoy it.
And the people we work with are amazing. You know, Todd and Tracy and Janie.
Todd and Tracy from Little Bear RV. You guys are the best. Janie, you're the best. You trained me so well. Yeah. I hope so. I mean, only time will tell. But yes, you trained me so well.
Thank you so much for counting us, and hopefully we'll see you guys again soon. Look forward to it.
Well, wait, we're not going anywhere.
We're not?
No.
Oh, we're gonna stay in California?
Of course.
Apparently we're gonna stay in California
for a little bit. And then we're gonna go to Arizona, go to Sedona.
My kidnapper has spoken.
Huh?
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 I don't know where we're going. She's the one that calls the shots. I just dropped the trailer.
That's pretty much how it goes.
It's true. All right.
He has some sort of a say.
We're gonna go for a walk out here. If you're in the vicinity, check out this area called Graeagle. Blairsden is awesome.
Blairsden is great. Check out Little Bear RV Park. It is the best. Guys, seriously, if you guys want to know a wonderful place to camp out, it's actually surreal how beautiful it is in there. I never imagined... Wait, come back. I had told Fabian a while ago about a place like this, but I never imagined that we would go there anytime soon. Anyway, we ended up there by coincidence. Fabian loves to goof off. But yes, guys, Little Bear RV Park is actually amazing.
We ended up there because California was on fire and we were trying to buy ourselves some time.
The world is going up in flames. We decided to come to the West Coast. Not very smart of us to do, but we decided to come to the West Coast during a time that it was in flames. So we had kind of found this position and we had kind of settled on it. But at the end, we were like, okay, we can't stay here. It's on fire. We're gonna have to just tell Todd, our boss, at the, right now during this time, that it's not gonna happen.
We almost did.
But we decided that we were gonna do it anyway because
we
had already given.
California, we turned right around.
This baby, have some. We had already given our word, so it would have been terribly unprofessional to just come back with that wine, biatch. Terribly unprofessional. I mean, that water, that coffee. Is that coffee?
It's coffee wine.
The coffee wine. It's a wonderful blend of it's a wonderful blend of white grapes and white grapes, fermented, that is. So anyway, guys, yes, come to Little Bear RV Park. Honestly, we highly recommend it. It's really hard to get in there. Don't think it's easy. Weekends are already fully booked well into 2022, but go and do it. If you can get in, have fun, have a blast. Say hi to Todd and Katrina. We love you.
Stay safe. Safe travels.
Toodles and noodles. I don't know who this man is.
Just being doofuses out here. Stole the golf cart from Little Bear RV Park. Couldn't help ourselves.
It was too easy.
It's too easy.
Sorry, we love you, Todd.
Sorry, Todd.
Park is beautiful. I mean, what a great way to memorialize the Donner Party, man. In a beautiful park like this. It's really, really amazing. So much. It was awesome. Graeagle and Blairsden. It was awesome being here with the beautiful people here and these beautiful the Feather River Highway is awesome. So really cool. Love you.
We had the best time.
Yeah.
We did.
Now we're gonna have some chocolatico calentico.
And then we're going to Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz, we're coming for you.